Meet the car that's about to redefine what it means to be fast, practical, and electric. This is the 2026 Audi RS6 e-tron. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated performance EVs of the decade, the Audi RS6 e-tron. And trust me, this isn't just another electric car. This is the electrified evolution of one of the greatest wagons ever made. Let's cut straight to the heart of the beast, the powertrain. The RS6 e-tron is expected to run on dual electric motors, delivering all-wheel drive via Audi's legendary quattro system. And get this, rumors are pointing to an insane 805 horsepower and over 1,000 nanometers of torque. That's hybrid supercar level power right there. With that kind of output, Audi engineers could be looking at a 0-60 miles per hour time under 3 seconds. Yeah, you read that right. Welcome to the future of fast wagons. Now, all that power has to come from somewhere. And for the RS6 e-tron, that's a 100 kW battery pack built on Audi's next-gen PPE platform, co-developed with none other than Porsche. This high-voltage architecture allows for 800 V charging speeds, which means you can go from 10% to 80% in just 21 minutes using a 270 kilowatts charger. And as for range, expect around 373 miles. WLTP, though being an RS model, don't be surprised if real-world numbers dip slightly thanks to those aggressive driving modes and sticky tires. Audis have always looked good, but the RS6 e-tron might take the cake. Expect two body styles, the sleek Sportback and the iconic Avant wagon. It'll wear its RS badge with pride. Think widened fenders, large air intakes, a prominent rear diffuser, and possibly even carbon ceramic brakes. The design language will likely pull inspiration from the stunning A6 e-tron concept. So, yes, expect that futuristic yet muscular look Audi does so well. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that blends luxury with cutting-edge tech. We're talking dual OLED displays, a 14.5-inch center touchscreen and an 11.9-inch digital gauge cluster, both housed under a single curved glass panel. The RS6 e-tron also benefits from a flat floor design, typical of EVs, giving more legroom and a sense of spaciousness. All wrapped up in Audi's signature minimalist elegance. Now, Audi isn't entering this space alone. The RS6 e-tron will go head-to-head with cars like the upcoming BMW M5 PHEV and the Mercedes-AMG EQE, both strong contenders in the high-performance electrified luxury segment. But here's the kicker. Audi plans to keep the gas-powered RS6 alive for a while longer, possibly rebranding it as the RS7 Avant with a plug-in hybrid setup. So, for now, fans of combustion power and electric efficiency can rejoice. Both worlds will coexist. As for when we'll see it in the flesh, rumors say a mid-2025 debut, with sales kicking off by early 2026. The Audi RS6 e-tron isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution. Combining jaw-dropping performance, cutting-edge tech, and that unmistakable RS swagger, Audi is proving that going electric doesn't mean slowing down. If you're excited about high-performance electric vehicles, drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our full reveal breakdown once the RS6 e-tron finally drops. Stay charged, stay tuned.